Hello everyone. Today in this video we'll be focusing on if or and if and commands in Excel. It is a very important commands, and these commands are used above beginner level commands, and it is one of the best technique used in Excel, which is helping in various forms in business essentials. So we can say that this particular video will lead to the business essentials and many of the effective works to make easy where different conditions are required in day-to-day life. Say for example, we have a sheet in which we have name of the candidates. In column A we have 12th percentage and J score. I am focusing on this example. I'll be covering if command, if or command and if and command separately with the example. Now suppose we are coming directly to the if command. Suppose if any person or any student wants to take admission and his 12th percentage are given in one of the column, and his JE score is also given. Now suppose if he want to take admission and we want to check whether he is eligible or his admission is confirmed, or his admission is confirmed along with scholarship. So in that particular case we use if command, if or command and if and command. Now we'll be coming directly to the example. Like suppose we have a student, we want to check if he is eligible for admission, and the eligibility says that he is eligible only if the 12th percentage is greater than 60. As you can see in this example, we have list of students in which the students with more than 60 percentage are, say, this and these all. So I think we can say that these all are eligible students. So now how to apply this if command? Come directly to the cell, click equal to. Equal to is used always before applying any kind of commands in Excel. So I'll type if. The best part with Excel is that whenever you start typing any command, it automatically tells you the syntax and also the application of the command. Now so as I have typed if, it automatically tells us that it helps in checking whether a condition is met and returns one value if true and another if false. So what if command do is, if it check the conditions and if the condition is met, it gives the value as true, and if it is not, then false, and we can have any true and false values. Say for example, now I want that the eligibility should be checked if 12th percentage is greater than 60. So the syntax is equal to if, then bracket open. And another good thing with Excel is it gives you the syntax also, that how to use this particular command. Now first you can see this with the blue color. It is saying what is your logical test. Our logical test is that this 12th percentage should be greater than 60, then comma. Now it is saying what should it give as a reflection when the value is true. So if the 12th percentage is greater than 60, it should type ELLEGIBLE, eligible. And whenever we want to write any character, we'll be writing in inverted commas, comma. Then what if value is false? We will be giving the indication as not eligible, then bracket close. Now you can see that the syntax has been removed. That means the formula is complete. We'll press enter. So since the percentage is 55, so it is not eligible. Now to copy this entire formula, we will, as usual, we will be dragging it. So you can see that this and this is not eligible, rest all are eligible. So this is one of the best application that we can use if command, and we can directly keep our conditions. Another is if or command. if command is clear. Now if or command says that here we use two conditions, that is for this particular example the admission is confirmed if 12th percentage is greater than 75 or J score is greater than 100. If or command is used when we have say two or more conditions, and if any one of the condition is satisfied, then the admission is confirmed. Now we can see here that in this particular 12th we have more than 75, we have all these as more than 75, and J score greater than 100, these are all greater than 100. Now we can see that almost all the students are eligible for admission, are confirmed with admission if one of the two are satisfied. So how we will be applying if or formula? For that, syntax is equals to, then type if, then bracket open, then or. Now you can see that this is also one of the effective, that it is giving the hint that what is this or command used for. Check whether any of the arguments are true. That means out of the two or more arguments that we are adding, if any of the arguments are true, it returns true or false, and it returns false only if all the arguments are false. That means if any one of the argument is satisfied, it will give us the true value. So for that, syntax is, we will bracket open, it is saying logic 1. Our logic 1 is 12th percentage should be greater than 75. So this is the 12th percentage, that is this should be greater than 75. Now comma, then second logic is J score should be greater than 100, that is this should be greater than 100. Now we will close the bracket, that is we will close the arguments. First it will return value of true, what it should give when the value is true, that is it should return confirmed admission, and what if false, then comma, it should return say no, bracket close, enter. Then we will drag the same till bottom. You can see that all the cases are confirmed. As you can see that either the student has more than 100 J score or his 12 percentage is greater than 75. So or condition is used when any one of the condition or any one of the logic is satisfied. And finally in the third case, that is if and command. If and command is used when both the conditions or all the conditions or all the arguments are satisfied. So in this particular case, the example which we have taken, the scholarship will be given if 12th percentage is greater than 75. That means students eligible with 12% greater than 75 are say this, and J score is above 150. J score above 150 is this and this. That means the only candidate which is satisfying both the condition is only one. So for that particular case we have a formula, that is if and. The syntax goes like, we'll type equal to, then if, bracket open, then and. Again we can see that hint it gives, check whether all arguments are true and return true if all arguments are true. That means if one of the argument is not satisfied, it will give us the false value. And the syntax is and, bracket open, first logic is if 12th percentage is greater than 75, that is if 12th percentage is greater than 75, and the second logic is J score above 150. J score above 150, bracket close, the argument is over. Then comma, value if true. Suppose if the condition is satisfied, it should return yes, and if the condition is not satisfied, it should return no. Bracket close. The syntax for all are almost same. Then we'll press enter, as you can see. And now to copy the same formula, we will be dragging it till bottom, and you can see that only this is eligible. So this way we can use if or and formula, and this particular command can be used for various different examples and different business essential activities. Hope you are clear. You can practice this particular formula and use in different applications. Thank you so much.